What's going on, everybody? Stefan here, Maritime Outdoors, and we are just hitting another lake today. We are heading to Gerlach Lake, which is a stocked lake around here. It's one of the few that they stock in my area. I got my 3-year-old son with me, hoping we can catch him his first fish. So it's a nice day today. It's 11 degrees as the truck is reading. So yeah, stay tuned. Hopefully we can catch some fish. Okay, you want to throw it out again? You gonna reel this one in, or you want me to?
No.
Okay. You want me to? You gonna do it? No? Stand up. Stand up. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Okay, hang on. Hang on. Hang on. I told you were gonna fall in.
That is cold.
It's cold, I know. I told you were gonna fall in.
No.
There. Don't get too close to the water.
No.
Oh, okay, here, look. Here, reel it in, quick. Got a fish,
No.
You don't want to reel it in?
No.
Okay, I'll get it.
I think his fish is coming.
Fish is coming, look. Yay.
He's dancing.
He's dancing.
Yeah. He's gotta calm down.
He's dancing, yeah.
No, he's gotta calm down.
He's got to calm down?
Yeah.
Okay. You hear that, fish? You got to calm down. You're doing too much dancing.
So stop dancing.
Stop dancing.
I gotta say bye-bye, fish.
Oh,
Drop.
I dropped him.
He's dropping.
There he goes.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, fish. You got a fish?
Huh?
You got a fish?
Yeah.
Yeah. How many did you catch?
No fish. No fish.
Yeah. How many did you catch? How many did you reel in?
Fish.
Just one?
2 fish.
2 fish?
3 fish.
3 fish?
3, 4.
4?
5.
5?
5 fish.
5.
6 fish.
No, we didn't get 6.
Huh?
I think we got 5.
You got 5.
Yeah.
You got 5. You got 5.
We got 5.
You got 5 fish.
Yep.
I get fish. Look it.
Oh, almost had another one. Yeah, almost had another one. Well, we made it back home, and I put the footage that we recorded this morning on my laptop, and I was going through it, and I guess there was some technical issues with my GoPro. Either my battery was dead and I didn't get a lot of fishing, or the footage was in almost like a time lapse type of video, like a hyper speed, and there was no volume, there was no sound, there was no nothing, and it almost looked like everything was running in fast forward. So first time recording this season, got to work the kinks out, it looks like. So hopefully you enjoyed this short little video of me and my son catching his first fish, and we'll hope to see you in the next one.